Hey guys, what's going on? It's E-Bike Scott. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing of a new tool I got, which I think is pretty cool. It's a 24 volt max digital cordless air compressor. It kind of looks like a cordless drill, but it's got, probably 5-cell lithium tool packs that are just generic, and it just has an air compressor head on it instead of a drill head, which is pretty awesome. But let's open it up and see what we get. It says 24 volt rechargeable, great wherever power is at a premium. Digital control with auto shut off for precise pressure. Perfect for home auto, sport equipment, camping, and more. Includes handy hard shell storage case and inflatable adapters. That's what I was curious about. That is awesome. It's called SUNJOE, SUNJOE. Comes with a bunch of paperwork and a fake smartphone sticker with a phone number to call, so don't do that. The storage case is already broken. You see this? That's great. That's beautiful. We have one SUNJOE 24 volt battery. Okay, so it's called SUNJOE on the outside. That's all right, and it's called SUNJOE on the inside. What does it say? 2 amp hour, 48 watt hours for house use only. Don't use it. I'm at work. I can't use it right now. Oh my God! Look at this. There's a DC power port in the top of this thing to charge it. Just the regular. What is that? A 6mm jack or whatever it is. That is hilarious. Right in the top of the tool pack. I've never seen that before. I even have it's got a little LED meter. It reads full. We don't even need to charge it. That's cool. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You plug the thing in. Read before use. Select adapter, if any, attached to air chuck, clamped securely. Connect battery to the unit. Turn on the selected PSI using the plus or minus button and attach the air chuck and lock the clamp or insert the adapter into the inflatable object. Press trigger switch. Automatic shut off at selected PSI, or press trigger switch again to shut off. And then it's got that in a couple different languages. All right, this front thing is a little cheesy. It's like this really cheesy adapter that covers the hose from, all right, that thing is nice. All right, you hit the power button on the back, and the LED light blinds me in the front. And I got this nice little display, and it starts at 40 and goes down to 35, every 31, 32. You can go to any PSI you want. It's model 24V-AJC-LTE. That is pretty badass. You click it once, it starts. You click it again, it stops. Well, I don't think it's too bad. It says 24 volt DC, max pressure 120 PSI. That is pretty awesome. I don't know if you can see that. That is pretty badass. There's the screen. I don't know why I'm filming it like this. Just because I'm using an iPhone and I don't have a stand or anything for my camera. Duty cycle 5 minutes. So I guess you can only run 5 minutes. So if you're pumping up like an 18-wheeler, the thing's probably just gonna shut off and you gotta wait and then pump it up again after it cools down. All right, I got the new tires on the ATV rims, the old one. All right, so we're gonna put this thing to the ultimate test and see if it'll pump up these brand new ATV tires that aren't even sealed on the bead of these rims. So they're gonna be leaking air, having air gaps, taking tons of time. Trying it out right now for the first time.
Feeling the bead. This thing's kicks ass. It's working. Come on, baby. Pop that thing. Set it on like 80 psi. Come on, pop it. Come on, baby, pop that thing. There it goes. Popped it right up. Come on, pop it. There it is. Success.